Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see how you can transition issues in JIRA or what all operations are available when you start working on the issues in JIRA. So if you're part of any agile project, agile development project, be it like Kanban or Scrum, there is an underlying workflow which is being followed by the tasks or issues within that project. So in order to work on any task or issue, you need to transition it to the correct state, whichever that particular state is at the moment for that task. So, for example, it is new at the moment and you have picked it for the development or you have started working on it, then you need to move it to in progress or um, in analysis, depending on what workflow has been configured in your project. So we'll take an example of um, project Scrum project, and you can see here the the column or the Scrum board available. And to transition an issue from to do to in progress to done, you can simply drag and drop the issue from the to do column to in progress or done. And the little perforation that you see in progress and done means that you can drop this particular issue either to in progress or directly to done. So the transition is enabled for both the columns. So now if you see that particular issue has been updated to in progress and the status has been updated to in progress. Anything that is still in to do, the status will be in to do. Now if you are done with this um, task or this story, then you can move it to done and the status will update to done. Now the other way to transition the issues is if you just click on a particular issue type, say for example this subtask, you can see the similar workflow here. So currently it's in to do. You can, if you want to move it to in progress, just click on in progress and the state will change to in progress. Once you are done with the issue, click on done and the status will change to done. So this is all about transitioning issues in Jira. Thank you.